All right, we've made it to Pleasurewood Hills. Ready to go ride some coasters?
Let's do it.
Yay. All right, guys, here we go. We're at Pleasurewood Hills riding the Cannonball Express. And this is an old school Schwarzkopf ride. What is this, like the Jumbo Jet 5 or something like that? But this is the only model in the world that was ever built that is like this one. So it's very unique here to Pleasurewood Hills. Oh man, here we go. We're at the top. All right, get ready for it. Schwarzkopf definitely knows how to make some twisty rides. Oh! Whee! Oh man! Ready? Here we go! That is a great ride. Woo! Again, not the tallest, not the fastest, but it sure is a hell of a lot of fun. And look, it's twisty! Twisty! They're cute, they're fun. Say hello. Hello, new friends.
Yep. Theme park review.
Hello, new friends.
Alright, you guys ready?
We are.
Remember to hold on to it.
Yep. Marble Madness, thank you.
Yay!
It's a roller coaster and it's video game themed.
It is. We are
Best of
riding.
both worlds.
We are riding Marble Madness here at Pleasurewood Hills. That's one of your favorite video games, isn't it?
Yeah.
Comment below if you remember the game Marble Madness. It's awesome. All right, here we go, guys. We are at the top of Marble Madness.
Oh dear.
No! All right, ready? Here we go. Oh, squish!
Oh, I don't like it. No squishing.
Like, don't squish
No
me.
squishing.
Oh! All right, I'm gonna Marble Madness you. Here we go. Oh!
Acid pool, guys.
Yeah, well, oh god, no, yeah, no wormy, guys, no acid pool. Ready? Here we go. Marble Madness squish. Oh!
Oh gosh. It's like when you fall off the edge.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, you do fall off the edge on Marble Madness.
All the time.
Oh my god. Oh! We will not fall off the edge today.
No.
Ready? Straight bit, straight bit. Whee! And oh! Oh my god.
Oh dear.
All right, here we go. Marble Madness drop. Oh! Whee! Oh! All right, here we go. Here we go. Get ready for it. Oh! Whee! Oh! Whee! And let's see. Final turn. Oh! Whee! Oh! How was Marble Madness?
It was great.
Yay! Good roller coaster, good video game. Marble Madness!
Marble Madness.
Yay! Alright guys, here we are. We're riding Wipeout at Pleasurewood Hills. This is definitely one of your boomerang type roller coasters. And I'm never quite ready for the for when it actually releases and sends us down this hill. I don't know, these boomerangs still kind of always freak me out a little bit. 3 loops forward, 3 loops backwards. Ah, crap. Oh, there's gonna be an aw crap moment coming up here. And I think there's gonna be a lot of screaming and oh crap! Oh! Woo! Oh man! Whee! Get ready! Loop-de-loop forward! Oh god! Woo! Oh my god! Woo! Alright, get ready for it backwards. Oh man, here we go. Oh crap! Backwards! Loop-de-loop backwards! Oh crap! And boomerang fire backwards! Oh! Wow! I am disoriented. Woo! I was wiped out. All right, let's go on the EGG-Spress. Get it? EGG-Spress. Look at all the eggs. This ride was excellent. All right, here we go. The egg-themed EGG-Spress. Get it? EGG-Spress. Yay! We love our cute little egg guy up in the front. All right, Mr. Egg, lead the way. Here we go. EGG-Spress. Whoa! This ride is excellent. Oh my God! What was that? Exciting! Oh! How many egg puns can we make? Oh! Did you just say exactly 4? Oh. Alright guys, if you have any more egg comments or egg puns, post them in the comments. Give us your best egg puns. Oh! Whee! Oh, that was awesome.
Exhilarating.
Exhilarating?